stone, watch it grow, building dreams from the ground below. Yeah, Pro Earth Landscaping, let the good times roll.
Okay, today we are trying out a new 360 cam. This ought to be interesting. So if you see any distortion or weird looking limbs or anything like that, we're just having a little fun with it, so bear with us. Do not pay any attention to the Seattle hat. The sad thing is, as far as he walks away, it's still following him, no matter what. Hey, was this mic working? Okay, we are breaking ground today on a job that is going to be natural stone. It's going to be approximately 80 feet long, a foot tall, and we're going to walk through this. As you can see, we got snow like everybody else in the country, and the snow and ice is really rare here, so we had to hold off on this job for a little bit. We are now just kind of carving out this section here and along here. The wall is actually going to start somewhere right in here, and then it is going to go along here. It's going to come up. It's the curb to the street is right here, so it's going to run almost right along it. Kind of see a spray painted line here. It's going to come to here, and then it's going to curve in this way a little bit. And if you look up here, you can see the lines spray painted on each side. That is going to be a stepping stone pathway leading up to the sidewalk. So the wall is actually just going to curve around a little bit, not run all the way up, just about a foot or so in, with a step made of the same stones and then stepping stones going up. And then it's going to continue right in here to come down, come around. You see Andrew's been trying to carve this out. There he is. And then it's going to come down here along this. You can kind of see where the spray paint is here, and it's going to come up to where the root for this gigantic oak is. Two really awesome oak trees in this yard. This will look really nice once this stone wall is in and these trees have the leaves on them. It's going to be a cool project. So we're going to get started on this, and we'll get back to you here in a couple days. So this is the second project that we've done for these clients. We did a patio in the backyard, and then the most recent project, once the ice and snow had melted, we came in and did this natural stone wall here. So we installed a natural stone wall that is mortared in. The mortar is on the back end underneath each stone. So once we dug the footer and got the first base down, then we started installing all of the stone. Each stone has concrete on the back end of it, so you can't see that from the front. Then behind the stone going all the way down is also concrete to help fortify it and hook each level together. There is drainage at the bottom, so there won't be any water buildup. This wall is approximately 65 feet long. It curves around both of these large oak trees, comes down here, will come along here to where each side curves in here, and then you have this stone walkway that goes all the way up to the existing walkway at the front of the house. Now each one of these walls is a foot tall, and both sides are about 32 feet long each. The client always wanted some kind of walkway going from the street for people that were either parking out here or neighbors that were coming over. Instead of having to go down in the driveway and come up to the walkway that goes from the driveway over to the front door, they wanted something that comes from the street and goes up through the middle here. So when we came up with this idea for the walls, we had the walls come around, each one of them the same length and height, and actually turn in and then have the walkway right in the center going up to the front door. When making the decision on what type of material to use for this project, the client and I went out to the stone yard, looked at the different types of stone that they had, the colors, the sizes, and ultimately came up with this Shawnee for the best look for their house and for the neighborhood. And that's a wrap on this project. If you found it entertaining or informative, please give us a like and a subscribe. And as always, let Pro Earth come out and make your backyard your favorite room in the house. So if you did like this natural stone video, click on this one up here. It's a little bit larger of a project. I think you'll enjoy it.
Building dreams from the ground below. Yeah, Pro Earth Landscaping, let the good times roll.